Hey everybody, Nathan here with Success Mortgage, and I wanted to do a live video here on YouTube. This is the first one I've done on YouTube. I've done several on Facebook, but YouTube is just now basically allowed us to do that since we've reached our minimum on viewers and on subscribers. So I want to thank you for that, everybody that's watched our videos over the recent months. So yeah, I want to talk to you a little bit about the opportunity to be able to buy a house in Indiana over the next 90 days. And I think this is a great time to consider it. When you think about how hot the market has been over the past 12 months, 18 months, a lot of people, and maybe you have been one of those people that have missed out on a house because there was four, five, six other offers on the home. Well, the nice thing is now I think the market's starting to cool just a little bit, and it's probably just due to the weather and the holidays and everybody starting to gear up for Thanksgiving and Christmas. But it may leave an opening for you to be able to get a good buy on a house that may be out there. So definitely give that some thought. And I want to give you an idea of what you could expect when you go to buy a home. So again, I'm with Success Mortgage Partners. We're located in Southern Indiana, but we lend all over Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee. So we do several states, including Illinois, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, etc. But again, this could be a great time to buy. And what we do is we have some different loan programs that could possibly work for you. So the one that is most popular for us is the USDA No Money Down program. And what this is, it's a program that's made for areas that are rural areas. Okay, so not necessarily meant for a property that's located in a bigger city, for example, like Louisville or in Indianapolis or some of those suburbs. But if you get outside of some of those areas, this can be a great option for you to be able to buy with no down payment. It's a good option. You with a 620 credit score, you can possibly qualify for that. There may be an option that we have soon to be able to do it with a 600 credit score. So if your scores are in that range or higher, then you may have some good opportunity to be able to get to get into a home in the next 90 days with no money out of pocket, which is very nice right now. You think about buying and you hear about inflation numbers and things like that. If the inflation keeps going like it is, and the prices are going to continue to go up. So the sooner you can get into a home and kind of lock in that price and kind of get set on your mortgage, the better off you're going to be when it comes to that. But on the flip side of that, depending on what inflation does and the home values, you can also actually, be ahead of the game and make a little money as values continue to go up. So they've definitely been going up, pretty strong over the past couple of years. And at this point, there's not really a sign of that slowing down. But again, that could happen anytime. But it still could be a great time to be able to get into a home. So USDA No Money Down is great. We would love to help you with that program. On the video, below our video, we have a link for our 60-second homebuyer survey. You can go through that. It's going to ask you a few questions, and we can let you know just by kind of looking at that what your chances are of qualifying for the zero down. And we would still need to run a credit report and things like that, but we don't have to do that just off your survey. We can, kind of start that conversation to see if that's something that you would like to do. But if you want to take the survey, click on that. We'll be notified that you've done that, and then we can get with you as far as some different options that may be out there and what the next steps would be. But that would be for the USDA loan. And then also we have the VA program, which is great. We can actually go down to a 600 credit score with that. So if you've served our country in the military, the VA option is really good. We've done a lot of VA loans throughout our 20 years in the industry, and we love to help veterans, with that. And the VA loan is no money down. So that can also be a good option for you. There's also other programs. We've got the Indiana Housing Program. We've ort a program that's called Shinoa, which is a no money down program. So even though you may not be in a rural area for USDA, maybe you're in Indianapolis, Fort Wayne, or Louisville, then there could still be some opportunities for no money down. It's just a different program and a different set of parameters that we go by when we're getting you qualified for that. If your credit scores are a little lower, or if your debt ratios are kind of tight, then we also may need to do an FHA loan. And FHA is a great program too. We've had that option with credit scores down to a 580 credit score, which can work out really well. So it gives you some more flexibility on what you can buy. And you have to have some reserves and things like that. But with that program, it is, it's a 3.5% down payment. And again, could be a really, really good opportunity to be able to get into a home that way. Um, Also, we have just a regular conventional loan. So if you're thinking about buying a home and you've got 5% down or you've got 10, 20% down, we can also help you with that. That can open up some options for you as well. So anyway, so if you're thinking about buying a house in the next 90 days, we would love to help you with that. Just click on the link below this video to get started. You can call our office at 812-650-0708, and we can talk more about some options that you may have, and hopefully get you in a home in the next 90 days. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.